Hello everyone, my name is Anirudh and welcome back to ILMS Academy, India's premier legal and management education portal. Get certified to enhance employability. Today's topic is what are the laws and regulations for human resources, which every HR professional should know. Let us understand what are human resource laws. Human resource laws refers to state and federal laws in the United States that govern human resource management and employment issues. Compensation, recruitment, development and placement are all considered aspects of human resource management. Human resource laws. Title 7 of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 is one example of a human resource law in the United States. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission administers Title 7. This law is applicable to all employers who have kept at least 15 employees. This law prohibits employers from discriminating against individuals on the basis of color, race, sex, religion and national origin. The Department of Labor Wage and Hour Division administers the Fair Labor Standard Act. This law establishes the federal minimum wage as $7.25. It also establishes standards for overtime pay and child labor. According to this law, overtime pay is 1.5 times the regular hourly rate. This law also classifies employees as either exempt or non-exempt. The Fair Labor Standard Act also establishes what work time employers need to pay, such as on-call, waiting, travel time, rest periods, training or meetings. The Department of Labor administers the Family and Medical Leave Act. This act grants employees who have worked a minimum of 1,250 hours in the past year to take a job-protected and unpaid leave for family and medical reasons. This act is only applicable to employees who work at a company that employs at least 50 employees within 75 miles. During a family or medical leave, the employee is still entitled to receive continued group health insurance coverage. The terms and conditions must remain the same as before for the employee. 4 different federal agencies enforce and administer the Americans with Disabilities Act. The EEOC enforces regulations when it comes to private employment. The ADA's Title I prohibits local governments, state governments, labor unions, employment agencies and private employers from discriminating against individuals with disabilities who are qualified during hiring, job application procedures, advancement, firing, job training, compensation and other privileges, terms and conditions of employment. The ADA is only applicable to employers who employ at least 15 employees. The employer also needs to make reasonable accommodations for the disabled person so long as it would not cause undue hardship for the business's operations. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission administers the Age Discrimination in Employment Act. The ADEA prohibits employers from discriminating against individuals age 40 or older in wages, hiring, promotions, layoffs, benefits, terminations, and other terms or conditions when it comes to employment. The ADEA law does not prohibit employers from discriminating against individuals younger than 40. The Department of Labor administers the Occupational Safety and Health Act. The OSHA is the main federal law that governs occupational safety and health in the workplace. The OSHA ensures that employers provide a healthy and safe work environment for the employees. The environment needs to be free of excessive noise levels, exposure to toxic chemicals, mechanical dangers, and heat or cold stress. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission also administers the Equal Pay Act. The EPA prohibits employers from partaking in wage discrimination between men and women. This is applicable when men and women do the same jobs that require equal skill at the same establishment and under comparable work conditions. The Pregnancy Discrimination Act is also overseen by the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission and prohibits employers from discriminating against employees who are pregnant or suffering from pregnancy-related conditions. The only exception is elective abortions. The PDA applies to employers with at least 15 employees. The National Labor Relations Board administers the National Labor Relations Act. The NLRA defines the rights of both employers and employees. Some examples of such rights include the right to engage in concerted activities like strikes and grievances or the right to collectively bargain for mutual aid and protection. If you would like to learn more about human resources law, you can connect to ILMS Academy. Visit ILMS Academy for various courses from contract drafting, RTI, GST, labor law and more. Get certified to enhance employability. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day ahead.